Hey y'all, it's SheRea. What's up? I love me a good, delicious fruit smoothie, but this is a hair channel. So instead, I made a hair growth smoothie that your curls will love. This video was inspired by Caribbean fruits and flowers, so shout out to my Caribbean people all around the world. This mask will leave your hair softer, shinier, stronger, smoother, and more defined. I am excited to share. You ready? Please give this video a thumbs up because it really supports me and my channel. And I hope you'll eventually subscribe. Here's an overview of the ingredients. This recipe is not too involved. First thing you'll need is hibiscus powder. I got mine from Henna Souk. Shout out to the wonderful team over at Henna Souk for supporting my channel and offering high quality and organic natural ingredients for every recipe. Also from Henna Souk is their sweet honey enriching hair nourisher. Bananas, which populate many farmlands and backyards throughout the islands. Papaya, a staple used in everything from soups to juices. Rice milk, and MSM powder. Let's get to mixing. Everything will be linked down below per usual. The first step is to blend the fruits in my blender. I am using 2 overripe bananas. Bananas are rich in potassium, natural oils and sugars, and vitamins that add moisture and softness to thirsty hair and a dry scalp. They make the hair more manageable and add tons of shine. With bananas, you can say goodbye to breakage and split ends. Next up, a 3/4 cup of ripe papaya. If you don't have access to papaya, you can skip it or use mango. Papayas are rich in vitamin A, increasing the production of the natural oil or sebum on the scalp. Sebum helps to nourish and protect the hair strands. Papaya also helps prevent balding and dandruff. In order to properly mix the fruits, I add 10 ounces of rice milk. I switch it up on you because coconut milk is actually the Caribbean staple, used in soups, stews, and other dishes. But I've come to love rice milk and always have some laying around. If you don't have rice milk, use coconut milk. Rich in niacin, vitamin B6, iron, copper, and magnesium, rice milk provides excellent slip and strengthens the hair. It is gentler on the hair than rice water, so it softens and moisturizes the hair while promoting hair growth. I mix them in my blender for 2 minutes and it is ready to strain. Straining is not an optional step. You have to strain with a nut milk bag or a cheesecloth to prevent leftover food particles in the hair. I'm telling you, that's not cute. You'll end up with a smooth liquid consistency with 0 bits. Now for one of my favorite Ayurvedic powders, hibiscus. Hibiscus is another Caribbean staple. It helps to promote hair growth, reduces hair loss, gives your hair a gorgeous shine, and delays premature graying. Henna Souk's powders are unique in that they are finely sifted. I always stress the importance of sifting your powders, but all of Henna Souk's powders are smooth and pre-sifted, which saves time and energy. You end up with no grit or residue left over in the hair, which I thought was impossible until now. So that blew me away, child. This alone is enough to try the powders out. And did I mention that their products are also super affordable? Winning! I ended up using the entire package, but I do have mid-back length hair and I'm heavy-handed with application. Use how much is comfortable for you. You can start with a few teaspoons or a few tablespoons. This is what the consistency is looking like so far. Now for my final ingredients, the first being MSM powder. I use MSM internally and topically. MSM is rich in sulfur and strengthens the hair and promotes hair growth. Of course, there's no SheRea DelSol treatment recipe without honey. This time I am using Henna Souk's sweet honey enriching hair nourisher. This one product packs a punch and truly gives you a bang for your buck. It combines honey, Ayurvedic herbs, organic oils, and lemongrass essential oil. There is no need to add any extra ingredients because it literally has everything in it. You can use it alone as a pre-treatment or deep conditioner, or a mask like this one to triple the uses. It adds moisture and lots of shine. I use 2 tablespoons. And this is super optional because, like I said, sweet honey has everything in it. But I do go in with 3 tablespoons of my hair growth oil to add even more benefits to this hair smoothie. I give it one final mix and the results are divine. You get a completely nutrient-rich and smooth DIY mask, perfect for any hair type. I let it sit for 8 to 12 hours out of habit and then I apply it, but you can use it right away. I start off on dry, thirsty hair. My hair is in desperate need of love and attention. Like I've said, the mixture is very smooth and that excites me. I love the texture. Like all my masks, I apply it from roots to the ends, but I especially focus at the root because hair grows from the scalp, and at the ends because they are the driest parts of my hair. You see that look on my face? I am very pleased with myself. Yes, these treatments are very messy, but what's the goal? Come on, say it with me, booty crack length hair. And these masks are helping me to achieve that. I press and smooth the mask into my hair and I take my time. If your hair is lighter colored like blonde or gray, you may want to skip hibiscus, but it doesn't stain my dark hair or my hands. It rinses right away for me. If you're not convinced, you can use amla instead. I continue applying section by section, and that's it. Here's the mask all applied. Come on, length and growth, but boo to immediate shrinkage. I did have a wee bit left over that I will freeze and use next time. Stay tuned for what I do with it. Nowadays, I sleep in my mask overnight and I rinse it out in the morning. This was probably one of the most enjoyable treatments because my hair was left feeling soft and strong. The best part is that I had no residue or bits left over in my hair, and it took no time to rinse out. I co-washed as normal and I moved on with my wash day. I am not sure what Henna Souk is doing in their lab, but my hair and I thank them. This is the rinse out process we all need and deserve. 2 thumbs up for the quality of the ingredients. It is really the quality for me. I can't wait to experiment with more of their products and give y'all all the tea. Have you tried Henna Souk? If so, what's your favorite product? Give me all the deets in the comment section down below. I hope you enjoyed making my hair growth smoothie with me and that it inspires you to have fun with your hair. Thanks so much for watching, and I will talk to y'all later. Love you. Bye.